The Wellnee Knee Brace is a lightweight, compression-based support sleeve designed to relieve knee pain, reduce swelling, and stabilize the joint without restricting movement. Made from breathable, moisture-wicking fabric with silicone padding around the kneecap, it offers targeted compression to improve circulation and joint alignment. Many users and wellness review sites praise its comfort, non-slip fit, and ability to ease discomfort from arthritis, injuries, or stiffness, often reporting noticeable improvement in mobility after consistent use. However, while the product itself appears effective and legitimate, numerous complaints on Trustpilot and other consumer forums raise serious concerns about its sales practices. Customers have reported being charged for multiple units they didn't order, encountering hidden upsells, and facing significant difficulties in obtaining refunds or reaching responsive customer service. These issues suggest that although the brace can provide genuine benefits, purchasing it directly from the official site carries a risk of billing problems. For those who wish to try it, using a secure payment method like PayPal or a credit card with buyer protection, carefully checking the card before purchase, and monitoring bank statements afterward is strongly advised. If you want, I can suggest safer alternative brands that offer similar knee support without the purchasing risks.